The highlights of today's defense news, 10th of October 25. UK inks defense deal worth 4,150 crores with India. Safran to double workforce boost sourcing from India. India and Australia sign key defense agreements. In the industry news, Avantel unveils 56 crore rupees aerospace and defense facility in Hyderabad. VTOL Aviation unveils Abhinandan hybrid VTOL UAV for tactical ISR. Lucknow's Kalam Labs targets record 30,000-meter UAV flight for Indian defense missions. Anadrone delivers 80% indigenous ABHAY anti-radar drone to Air Force 3 months earlier. Boost India's seed capabilities. IG Drone signs MoU with UP government for defense corridor facility. India's defense sector set for expansion under new procurement manual. Ola Electric achieves milestone with India's first certified indigenous ferrite motor. Aavishkaar Group and Jamwant launch 500 crore rupees fund for defense and deep tech. Indian Army deploys SAKSHAM system for real-time counter-drone defense. Russia agrees to transfer critical S-400 technology to India's private sector, solidifying Air Force's plan to acquire 5 more squadrons. In the global highlights, French Army tests river-launched drone swarm from engineer craft. US firm partners with Ukraine on innovative air and water drone. Let's have a look at the news in detail. First, geopolitics. Britain has announced the signing of a £350 million contract to supply the army with lightweight multi-role missiles produced by Thales in Northern Ireland. The contract is set to deliver UK-manufactured lightweight multi-role missiles built in Belfast to the Indian Army. The UK Defence Department further added that it will support over 700 jobs in Northern Ireland. The air defense missiles and launchers due to be manufactured for the Indian Army are the same as those currently being manufactured in Belfast for Ukraine. In addition to the missile agreement, Britain announced progress on a naval propulsion initiative involving electric-powered engines for Indian warships. The next phase deal, valued at an initial £250 million, builds upon earlier studies into hybrid and all-electric propulsion systems that reduce fuel dependency and enhance stealth performance at sea. Avantel Limited has inaugurated a new state-of-the-art 76,000 square feet aerospace and defense manufacturing facility in Hyderabad with a 56 crore rupees investment. The facility is designed to serve as a hub for advanced research, engineering and production of secure communication systems, radar subsystems and satellite-based applications. The key focus areas include software-defined radios, radar electronics, telemetry units and satellite assembly, integration and testing. Equipped with precision manufacturing, environmental testing laboratories, and EMI/EMC validation zones, the facility significantly boosts Avantel's capacity to deliver high reliability military-grade communication and surveillance systems. It also positions the company to undertake complex turnkey projects involving satellite ground stations and data communication networks. Navi Mumbai-based VTOL Aviation has introduced the Abhinandan series HNX 50D hybrid fixed-wing VTOL UAV, a domestically designed system under India's indigenously designed, developed and manufactured, that is the IDDM initiative. The platform combines quad electric vertical lift rotors with an internal combustion cruise engine enabling high altitude VTOL capability and endurance of up to 6 hours. The UAV's design prioritizes operational flexibility by allowing launches from austere or confined sites and smooth transition to efficient fixed-wing flight. Its maximum takeoff weight of around 50 kilograms supports a range of mission payloads in EO/IR configurations tailored for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance as well as tactical applications. Abhinandan's hybrid propulsion architecture ensures long-range petrol capacity with reduced acoustic signature, enhancing stealth during sensitive border security operations. Communication links spanning 50 to 100 kilometers allow for sustained coverage in remote theaters and contested environments. VTOL aviation positions the HNX-50D for armed reconnaissance, border surveillance, and situational awareness support within both military and paramilitary frameworks. The Endurance and VTOL cruise efficiency address challenges in mountainous terrains and high altitude border sectors, extending India's indigenous UAV portfolio for multi-domain operations. Kalam Labs, a stratospheric aerial robotics startup based in Lucknow, is preparing for a groundbreaking test flight aimed at reaching an altitude of 30,000 meters above mean sea level. This follows a recent autonomous aerial mission reaching 9,790 meters, already touted as India's highest UAV flight in its category and potentially a world record. The recent test flight involved launching a lightweight, fully autonomous UAV, less than 4 kilograms with a wingspan under 2 meters from rugged Himalayan terrain. Ascending from a base altitude of 2,700 meters, the UAV climbed beyond 7,000 meters to peak at an unprecedented 9,790 meters. This significantly surpasses the operational ceiling of UAVs used during Operation Sindoor, which stood at around 5,000 meters. The mission showcased the UAV's performance under extreme environmental stress. Starting in temperatures of 20 degrees centigrade, the UAV endured several drops to minus 60 degrees centigrade at peak altitude. High wind speeds reaching 50 kilometers per hour and thin air tested aerodynamic stability. Atmospheric pressure dropped by more than 70%, simulating near stratospheric flight conditions. The UAV's design, materials, and control systems were validated against such extremes. Powered by an onboard AI navigation system, the UAV operated without direct human control throughout the mission. In a separate high-speed trial, the UAV was carried to altitude and released, returning to base at 800 kilometers per hour with sub-meter landing precision, less than 1 meter deviation. Such autonomous capabilities can be crucial for surveillance and reconnaissance in inaccessible or high-risk terrain. Gurgaon-based Anadrone Systems has successfully delivered its cutting-edge ABHAY anti-radar drone to the Air Force. The delivery was completed 3 months ahead of the project schedule under the government's IDEX initiative, marking a significant achievement in indigenous military technology. The ABHAY drone is a specialized unmanned aerial vehicle designed for suppression of enemy air defense missions. These critical operations aim to neutralize an adversary's air defense systems, such as radar installations and surface-to-air missile sites, allowing friendly aircraft to operate safely. The company, which operates research facilities in Orissa, has a proven track record, having already supplied more than 1,000 Shikra high-speed aerial targets to the armed forces and other defense organizations. Engineered to deceive and overwhelm enemy air defense, the ABHAY drone boasts a suite of advanced electronic warfare capabilities. It can operate in swarms where multiple drones work in a coordinated group to confuse enemy radar networks. Gurgaon-based drone technology company IG Drones has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Uttar Pradesh government to establish an advanced drone manufacturing and research facility in the UP Defence Corridor. The facility will focus on producing indigenous drones for India's defense forces. The state government will provide approvals, permissions, and access to both state and central initiatives. The company plans to mass produce 1 lakh units of its FPV Striker drone annually. Designed and tested in India, the drone is built for rapid deployment and precision targeting. With the global drone market projected to exceed $55 billion by 2030, IG Drone is looking to expand both domestically and internationally. The company's subsidiary, IG Defense, has also previously signed a contract with the Air Force to implement a Bluetooth low energy tool tracking system. This system aimed to enhance airbase safety and efficiency by streamlining tool management and inventory tracking. Indian Army has deployed the Situational Awareness for Kinetic Soft and Hard Kill Asset Management SAKSHAM system developed in partnership with Bharat Electronics. Operating over a secure Army data network, SAKSHAM provides integrated real-time coverage of airspace up to 3,000 meters, enhancing tactical battlefield space with drone detection, tracking, identification, and neutralizing using AI-based decision support. The system synchronizes with current and upcoming counter-drone weapons and sensors and feeds data into the advanced Sudarshan Chakra network. Approved under the fast-track procurement, full rollout is expected within a year. In the global news, France's Army Technical Section and 1st Foreign Engineer Regiment conducted an autumn evaluation of a river-borne drone swarm flying Parrot Anafi USA and Anafi AI aircraft, including two with smoke release kits from a compact engineer craft. The setup hinged on Scalian's EZ Chains software, a tactical Wi-Fi bubble paired with a private 4G cell, and disciplined antenna placement to keep telemetry flowing when many aircraft transmit at once. Early stat results point to simultaneous control of up to 25 airframes and planned migration of the concept onto the civil engineer vehicle after proving it on the engineer's rivercraft. The technical challenge lies in launching and recovering multiple aircraft from a compact deck while accounting for surface wind, airflow disturbed by the superstructure, and the vessel's own motion. At the core, the EZ Chains software aggregates aircraft compatible with a standard autopilot and enables sector-based mission planning, role assignment, and near real-time trajectory updates. In practice, the operator views swarm telemetry, divides search areas, sets altitudes, and hands fine navigation to the autopilot while retaining the option to take control of any airframe if needed. The two drones fitted with smoke release devices provide immediate options for area marking, support to discrete riverbank crossings, or visual signaling for dismounted units. Managing up to 25 drones requires strict antenna discipline and optimal placement of emitters on the mast. Otherwise, radiation lobes can self-mask near the water surface. Stability of the rivercraft during takeoff and recovery was addressed with heading, keeping, and speed reduction procedures to limit roll during critical windows. Finally, the hybrid power setup, portable batteries plus ship power, directly sets the rhythm of rotations by allowing short charging cycles without constraining mission conduct. Tactically, the concept turns the rivercraft into a mobile sensor node able to extend the ISR bubble along waterways while keeping the main force compact and discrete. The swarm multiplies viewing angles, detects riverbank threats, controls crossing points, and monitors key infrastructure such as bridges and locks. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.